Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to hide eye bags with makeup. First, ensure your under eye area is well hydrated with a good eye cream. This creates a smooth canvas. Next, select a color corrector that neutralizes the specific undertone of your eye bags. Finally, apply a brightening concealer to further diminish their appearance. These steps will help you achieve a refreshed and even look. Selecting the right color corrector is crucial for effective coverage. If your eye bags have blue or purple undertones, a peach or orange corrector will work best to neutralize them. Remember to apply only a very thin layer directly onto the darkest parts of the eye bags. Gently blend the product using your ring finger or a small, soft brush to avoid creasing and ensure a seamless finish. After color correcting, it's time for concealer. Choose a liquid concealer 1 to 2 shades lighter than your natural skin tone to brighten the area. Apply it in an inverted triangle shape, extending from the inner corner of your eye down to the side of your nose and back up to the outer corner. Lightly tap the product into your skin with your finger or a damp beauty sponge, ensuring a smooth, natural blend without harsh lines. To ensure your makeup lasts all day without creasing, setting is essential. Use a finely milled translucent setting powder and a small, fluffy brush to lightly dust the under eye area. This step locks everything in place and provides a smooth, matte finish. For more great tips and deals, including those amazing leak-proof meal prep containers, be sure to check the description below this video. They are perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.